Hey guys, this is the Coffeeza Lattisso Pro. It's a smart coffee machine that can give you cafe-styled coffees like espresso, lattes, cappuccinos, and lungo from the convenience of your home or office or studio, wherever you want to place it, in minutes. Now, for all us busy professionals out there, or the hustlers as we say nowadays, who really want to grab their cafe-style brews without having the hassle of making those cafe runs, this machine absolutely nails it and gives you the exact same taste, if not better, from the convenience of where you are. So sit back, relax, let me go through the machine, let me tell you about its parts, how you brew the coffee, obviously do some taste tests of different coffees, and by the end of this video, trust me, you will definitely want yourself a piece of this, and for me, I'm definitely going to be overdosed on caffeine. So let's begin. Alright, starting off, we have this display up front. Now as you can see, this is going to light up the different coffee options that this machine can brew. Now this is a touch sensitive area, and all you have to do as a user is to place your finger on the type of coffee that you want this machine to brew for you, place your cup, place in the coffee capsule, and it's going to do all that magic and pour that delicious, freshly brewed coffee into your cup. Now this is the nozzle from where your coffee is going to come out, and the length of this nozzle can be adjusted based on the size of the cup that you keep on this tray. Speaking of the tray, this is your drip tray. So this is where you keep the cup, and whatever little coffee that falls from the nozzle is going to be collected here. And as you can see, this is removable. So you can just take it off and clean it and place it back here. Now behind the drip tray, if you pull this out, this is where your used coffee capsules are collected. So it's got quite a big capacity for you to collect all your coffee capsules. Again, it is removable, so you can take it out, clean it, and place it back inside. Now you get a milk pipe with this machine, and this attaches right over here on the side, and it has a buckle here for you to keep it without any sort of problem. Now this milk pipe obviously goes into a cup which will contain milk, because this will automatically take that milk, heat it, froth it, and based on the coffee you choose, say a latte or a cappuccino, it's going to add milk and do all its magic. Now the back of the machine is where you have your water tank, which obviously you fill with just water, and it's going to take that in and brew your coffee. Now this water tank is obviously removable, so yes, you can take it off and clean it, and it's got a lid on top as well, and place it back here. And of course, on the top of the machine is where you have your compartment to put in your coffee capsules, and you slide and close it, and that's it. Okay, now let's talk about the key highlights of the Coffeeza Lattisso Pro. Starting off, we have its unique feature, which is the one-tap brewing system. So with just one tap on its screen, you can get cafe-style drinks in minutes. Just a single tap away. Next, we have its integrated milk frothing system. So you don't need a separate machine that is going to heat the milk and froth it. It's all built inside. All you have to do is insert the milk pipe into a cup of milk, and it's going to do the steaming, the heating, the frothing, so that you get your creamy, frothy lattes and cappuccinos in perfect form every single time. Next, this machine uses 19 bars of pressure, and this is going to help it extract the most flavor and aroma out of the coffee capsules every single time. Next, and this has to be one of the most useful and thoughtful features of this machine, which is the auto clean function. So after continuous usage, you might fear that the pipes can get clogged and not be clean, and you don't have to take the hassle of cleaning the pipes manually. Again, with just one tap on the auto clean function on the touchscreen, it's going to do its magic, clean the pipes, and be spick and span and ready for your next brewing session. And finally, this machine is compatible with not just Coffeeza's very own coffee capsules, but also with original Nespresso coffee capsules. Okay, now it's time to brew some coffee using the Lattisso Pro. So I have it plugged in, screen is on, I have my cup ready. So as I said, the first thing I'm going to do is fill in this water tank at the back with some water. So let's do that. All right, the water tank is almost filled. Now Coffeeza has a ton of flavors to choose from of their coffee capsules. I'm going to go with good old Classico. Okay, so here's the coffee capsule. I'm going to open the sliding tray up top, place the coffee capsule, close it, and I'm going to press on espresso. Can you hear that sound? Our espresso is being poured as we speak. All right, and here is our espresso shot. Time to give it a taste. This is smooth. So you see, this is what I was talking about. Convenience of having a coffee machine so compact. It's sitting here on the desk of my studio, and my studio smells like a cafe right now, by the way. And it's just a one-touch function, as you saw, and your espresso is ready. Excuse me while I finish my espresso. Feel free to watch. The caffeine kick is in. So let's brew something else. Now, for my next trick, I'm going to make myself a cup of cappuccino. And for that, what we first need is milk in a cup. Now we place this on the side, take out the milk pipe or unbuckle it, and simply place it inside this glass of milk. Now, as you can see, I have a much bigger cup ready to have my cappuccino in. So again, I'm just going to take a single coffee capsule, open the lid up top, place the capsule in, close it, and next I'm simply going to choose the cappuccino function on this screen. So what it's first going to do is going to take up the milk from that cup once it's done heating itself up. So the milk has been heated. Now it's coming in hot into my cup. Now it's turn for the coffee. Right on cue. And we're done. Cappuccino is ready. Now, if this isn't a perfect cup of cappuccino, honestly, I don't know what is. Look at that perfect froth on top. Now, this is a work of art. And once again, you're free to watch as I have my cup of freshly brewed cappuccino. This is perfection. The perfect froth, the perfect blend, and this aroma. And trust me, if you are truly a coffee lover, this machine is your best friend. I'm going to finish the rest of this off in private because it's just me and the coffee now, so go away. Now for my third trick, I'm going to have a cup of latte right here, right now. So my cup of milk is ready. Here's my coffee capsule. So let's open the lid up top, place the coffee capsule in, slide it close, and I'm going to press on the latte mode. So one touch. So that's the freshly brewed coffee in the cup. And here comes the freshly steamed milk. And this right here is a cup of perfection yet again. A freshly brewed latte. Once again, feel free to watch. Oh, so good. Are you still watching? Go away. So guys, that's it. That was the Lattisso Pro from Coffeeza. By the way, I just had to make myself one more cup of cappuccino because why not? So anyway, I hope this gave you and convinced you about how good and how convenient and effortless the Lattisso Pro is. If you are a coffee lover, if you're always on the run, and if you don't like the hassle of running to cafes to get your favorite brews, the Lattisso Pro is going to solve that from the convenience of wherever you are. You just have to plug it in, get the capsules, and you're good to go. So if you have any other questions regarding the Lattisso Pro, do hit me up in the comment section below. The link to this machine will be placed in the description for your convenience. Definitely check it out from there. That's about it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with another coffee lover, leave a comment, and catch you guys very soon in the next one. Cheers.